So in this video, you'll learn how to enable or disable keep screen on while viewing on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So this is a feature that simply uses your selfie camera to determine whether the screen can go on or off, just if you're looking actually at the screen and not at anything else. So in order for you to turn this feature on or off, you're going to start by navigating to settings. Once you're in settings, you're then going to scroll and select the option display. And then from display, you want to look for screen timeout. Once you find it, simply select it. And then at the very bottom, you should see keep screen on while viewing with a toggle next to it. So what you're going to do to turn this feature on is just tap on the toggle once like that. And now the feature is currently enabled. If you want to turn it off, you can just tap on the toggle and it will be turned off. So it's up to you to decide how you're going to use this feature on your Galaxy Z Fold 7. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.